Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your ZTE Max XL or Max Pro. They both operate the same way. Make sure first off that the phone is powered off. You need to locate the volume up and the power button. Once the phone is powered off, press both, continue holding. When it comes on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this screen, remove your finger from the volume up. Locate wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to select. Go down, press yes, selecting it by pressing the power button. Once it's completed, press the power button to have the phone restart. Once the phone comes back on, it was already completely reset, but this is how you hard reset the phone. Once it comes on, you just need to go through the prompts, the activation screen, and the phone should be completely wiped clean. This is how you bypass the activation screen. Now make sure that you do remember your Gmail account that you had signed in here. If not, you did not have one, you just do what I'm doing right now. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.